The Trump Gold Card is now live. How do you qualify and apply for it, and how much does it cost? Is it a good option for those who want a green card? I'm Dustin Saldarriaga, an immigration lawyer with Scott Legal PC in New York City. In this video, we'll answer these and other questions and tell you what you need to know about the Trump Gold Card. So, what is the Trump Gold Card? It's a U.S. immigration program created by executive order by Donald Trump that offers a pathway to U.S. lawful permanent residence, a green card, to those willing to make a substantial gift to the United States. The Gold Card is not a new type of green card. It's a fast-track option within the existing EB-1 and EB-2 immigrant categories with a very large financial contribution attached. The U.S. government's website for the Trump Card describes it as a visa based on one's ability to provide a substantial benefit to the United States. If you make the required gift to the United States, the government treats that as evidence that you substantially benefit the country. There are two main options within the Gold Card program: the individual Gold Card and the corporate Gold Card. Individual applicants make a $1 million gift to the United States per person requesting a Gold Card. That includes not just you as the applicant, but also your spouse and any children you include on the petition. For employers, there's the Trump Corporate Gold Card. In that version, the corporate sponsor makes a $2 million gift per employee and $1 million per family member of the employee who's also requesting a Gold Card. There's also a 1% annual maintenance fee on the corporate card and a 5% transfer fee if the company switches the sponsorship to a new employee. A gift alone, though, is not enough. Because the program plugs into the existing EB-1 and EB-2 National Interest Waiver, or NIW, green card categories, the applicant must fit into one of those two classifications. The application must specify which of the two categories you're applying under. The applicant would still have to meet the underlying legal standards for that classification. This is one of the big outstanding questions around the Gold Card, which is the extent to which the existing requirements to receive an EB-1 or an EB-2 green card, which are demanding, will apply to Gold Card applicants. On top of that, you must prove to the government that you have sufficient funds to make the required gift and that the funds you'll use for the gift were obtained through lawful means. Applicants must also be eligible for lawful permanent residence, must be admissible to the United States, and must have a visa number available. Again, since the Gold Card plugs into the EB-1 and EB-2 categories, any backlogs in those categories would apply to Gold Card applicants. So, what does the application process for the Gold Card look like? In practice, the process has 6 steps. You start at trumpcard.gov. Submit a basic online application and pay a non-refundable $15,000 fee per person to the Department of Homeland Security. DHS then vets you and has you create a MyUSCIS account. Next, you file with USCIS a Form I-140G to request EB-1 or EB-2 NIW classification and prove that the funds you are donating to the U.S. were lawfully obtained and fully documented. If USCIS is satisfied, you pay the gift plus any amounts for family members, and USCIS decides the petition, which can result in a request for evidence or an RFE. Only after approval and a visa number becomes available do you complete consular processing by filing a Form DS-260G, paying your consular fees, completing a medical exam, and appearing for an in-person visa interview at the consulate. While the government website says processing should take weeks, in reality, the final visa step alone can take several months depending on your country of residence or nationality and the consulate. As of the date of recording, December 11th, 2025, the government has not released information as to whether it's possible to pursue a Gold Card from within the U.S. through adjusting status. A few final notes on the Gold Card. A Trump Gold Card holder becomes a U.S. lawful permanent resident, and like all U.S. citizens and permanent residents, you are subject to U.S. tax on your worldwide income, including non-U.S. income. Also, the Gold Card is a visa, and national security concerns or significant criminal issues can be a basis for revocation. Finally, a note about the program's viability and risk. We expect that the government will be sued over this program and its legality. As a result, there is doubt about the viability and future of the program. On top of this, the government has made clear that the application fee of $15,000 per person is non-refundable. It has also characterized the $1 million or $2 million donation as an unrestricted gift, which seems to mean that the US government has no obligation to return the funds if the program is challenged. This needs to be kept in mind by anyone who's seriously considering the program. At the same time, other investment-based visa options with longer track records and more robust legal justification do exist, including the EB-5 and the E-2. These options are worth consideration by those who are considering the Gold Card, and our YouTube channel has a number of videos on each of these options for those who want to learn more. If you found this breakdown helpful, feel free to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and leave your questions in the comments.